What's up guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to skate a broken board. So I set this board up to make a video about skating loose trucks, and then the first day I set it up, my friend John did a trick on this. I think it was a 360 flip, and he actually broke through most of the layers of this board, actually all the layers right here. So you can see on both sides that this board is completely broken. So I still wanted to skate this board because the nose and tail were pretty much completely new and it still had a lot of pop. Actually, this board has a ton of pop because it's got steep concave and it's got really steep kicks. It's got a steep nose and tail. So I decided I would put rails on this board. The rails are screwed into the board and they hold it in place. If I don't have those on this board, it bends all the way down to the ground through the middle if I stand on it and do tricks. But because I have these rails on here, it makes the board really stiff and it gives it a really stiff, quick pop. Without the rails, this board would break all the way in half within a few tricks. But the rails actually increase the strength of the board. And I feel like rails in general increase the strength of the middle of your board. So if you break a lot of boards in the middle, I would try putting rails on the board. I feel like it really adds a lot of strength. I think this test actually proves that, because without that, this board would snap. With the rails, I'm able to film this entire video with no problem.
Seem to get these off my mind. Don't like to say this.
So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and just videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a skateboarder, then hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.
To the current days in Kentucky, and I pray I might get lucky enough to